Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Supto, and today in this video we will talk about the verb estar in Spanish. Some people confuse the verb estar, but actually estar doesn't exist in Spanish. So today I will show you how to use the verb estar in different situations correctly. Let's start with the first way to use the verb estar. Estar plus adjective. We use estar followed by an adjective to express temporary conditions or stress. For example, if I want to say I am tired, in Spanish I would say estoy cansado or cansada. Estoy cansado is for male and estoy cansada is for female. Remember that the verb estar must agree with the subject pronoun. So estoy is the correct form for I. Now let's move on the second way to use the verb estar. Estar plus location. We use estar to indicate the location for someone or something. For example, if I wanted to say the book is in the table. In Spanish, I would say el libro está en la mesa. El libro está en la mesa. El libro está en la mesa. Please note that estar is conjunction according to the subject pronoun. Here is the conjunction for the present tense. I am, it is yo estoy. Yo estoy is I am. You are is used to tú estás. Tú estás. He, she, you formal are. He is for él, she is ella, and you formal are ested, esta. Ested, esta. We are is nosotros and nosotras estamos. Nosotros estamos is used for male and nosotras estamos is used for female. You all are like vosotros estáis and vosotras estáis. Vosotros estáis for male and vosotras estáis for female. And they are you all from like ellos, ellas. And ellos it is used for male and ellas used for female. Lastly, let's explore the third way to use the verb estar. Estar plus present participle. We use estar followed by the present participle yendo or yendo to form the present progressive tense expressing ongoing action. For example, if I want to say I am studying Spanish, in Spanish I would say estoy estudiando español. Estoy estudiando español. This form indicate an action that is happening at that moment. Lastly, I want to mention that estar can also be used with preposition to express a specific location or relationship. However, we would not go into detail about that in this video. I hope this information helped you understanding how to use the verb estar correctly in Spanish. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Spanish language tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Adios.